We're here in a goat restaurant, but they're not only serving goats dishes but also beef, pork, and fish. We have here the beef stew. It's 160 pesos per serving. This is the goat dish, which is goat stew, 85 pesos per serving. And then they got the noodles at 30 pesos per serving. And the rice for 10 pesos each. Having lunch here in Matias Barbecue. So this is what we're having for lunch right now. We have pork barbecue. We have chicken gizzards, and we have the barbecue chicken breasts and the barbecue chicken legs, and we also have grilled fish, pineapples, and balbacoa, which is the cow skin soup. Balbacoa is very popular here in the Philippines. It's like made of peanut. The soup is very sticky and not really pig's cow skin, but it's actually also the legs of the cow, and then full of chilies. And then you eat this with, you're given for your sauce, like what Sen has done there, soy sauce and vinegar, in which you're given a calamansi and 2 chilies to put on your sauce. And then you put the vinegar on it. Vinegar and soy sauce. That's what we do. As your dip for your barbecue, put some more, and then you eat it with the hanging rice. So now we're only having water, but you can also order soft drinks, and some you can eat it with your hands. You just wash your hands, and then you can see a lot of people are coming here for this barbecue. It's located in AS Fortuna. AS Fortuna is called Matias House of Barbecue. It's just a garden of someone's house. This is the puchero that we're eating. Na puchero, mo na itong gitaon na. Grilled pork, pork belly, kana beef steak, Filipino beef steak, kanigang escabeche fish. Our favorite, pansit bami. Gidang. Ano nigan? Paklay. The intestines and stuff. Baboy. Balbacoa.
Their specialty.
And calderetang kanding. This is the goat stew. Our favorite one. Larang isda.
It's like the tinola, but it's a different kind of tinola.
Fish stew. Another fish stew. Tintuwa. Kanay.
This is the sisig.
Sisig.
But this is
made of face of the pig.
This tastes yummy if it's with egg and fish with.
Wow, nice. So the place is called Pes Kandingan, which is Pes Goat Restaurant, goat recipes. It's got loads of barrels around. It's not so nice outside, but it's the food that's more their thing. It's quite tasty. And here you're located near the SRP road, right beside the Talisay part of SRP. You can see all this plastic for sale. This is the SRP road. This is where it's located. You can buy all these barrels as well for water containers.